Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Myself Tanvi and today I am back with another interesting video. Today in this video I am going to share with you guys how I learned German up to C1 level in technically 1.5 years and how you can do it too. Everyone has this potential of learning new language, but the thing is you have to take proper direction and a proper path. There is a comment on my previous video asking about how I learned German and does it really take 4 years to complete C1 level or did I take any breaks, etc. So thought why not just make another new video to share with you guys my journey. In this video I am going to share my German learning experience. So I started learning German in Pune itself as a hobby. I had no intentions of learning German further or studying in Germany or anything as such. It was just a summer pastime activity. I joined A1 class and then my journey practically began. My mom enrolled me in a local class in Pune itself and the trainer there was really friendly and we were following Netzwerk. I joined this class in April 2018 right after my 10th board exams. That A1 class was approximately for 3 months and it included exam preparation as well. It was from Monday to Friday, weekends it was off and it was for 2 hours every day from Monday to Friday. One of the very most important thing I did in my A1 was doing hearing practice, doing listening practice at home as well. I listened approximately the Netzwerk series what we have, I guess 4 to 5 times before the exam. This thing really strengthened my hearing and I could score really good marks in the exam, and in further A2 level as well I had a good grasp on hearing. I knew the accent and I knew the words, so it really helped me. And I would advise you guys as well to do a lot of hearing practice. One more thing I would advise you all is grammar is really important in A1 level. It is just the beginning, you are just starting up and grammar is something you should focus on. Most of the people ignore grammar, but that is really important. I cannot stress enough on this, but yeah. I have made a separate video in which I have shared my A1 exam score in detail, and I also have made another video in which I have shared some tips and tricks to score great marks in your A1 exam. Links for both the video is given in the description box, so just go and check them out after watching this video. I am sure you will find those videos really helpful. After my A1 exam, I immediately joined A2 class because I was very much excited because I scored such great marks in A1. I was very excited to join the A2 class. And then, but I chose science stream for my 11th and 12th standard and my coaching in college already started. So it was very difficult to devote time to learning German as well. And it was obviously later on seen on my results because I couldn't score that good marks in my A2 exam. But one more very important thing for A2 students is to know grammar, to practice grammar. Grammar goes on the next level and there are some topics which you cannot explain in English. They do not exist in English. So if you are learning German in English, you don't know any other language, you are learning German from English. So it is kind of difficult. You have to manage, and with practice it definitely comes, but yeah, you have to practice grammar and devote a lot of time for practicing grammar. I gave my A2 exam in September 2018 and I only scored 78 marks in my A2 exam. I was really not satisfied with my result, but still I decided to continue with my B1 classes.